This week's show is about me preparing for my first art fair in months. I spent days printing and producing new work to sell. When I was repacking, I discovered I had to make critical repairs to the RV before I could get on the road. Once on the road, I drove 900 miles, got to my art fair, spent hours setting up, only to have it get canceled because of high winds. So what I'm doing is going through all my inventory because I have a schematic of how I want my walls to look. So I need to match what's in here with what I've got on my walls. So if I need to print, reframe things, I can. There we go. All right, so I am re-inventorying for my show next weekend. It's a lot to do because I have been just giving away work and selling it as I go. Well, giving it away mostly to people who I put in my videos. So I'm working on the printer inside, coming out here to do all my assembly. So come on along and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing. So you know my printer, computer. We're gonna look for our next, here we go. This one's called Flag and Barn. You've probably seen it. So it's on a 16 by 20 sheet of paper. I will check my settings, and Epson is controlling the color. That's good. Now the other thing I do with these is I offset it. So center, left, copy, and there it is. So now you can see it's off-centered there. Hit print. Okay, that one's loaded and getting ready to print. Hopefully it all goes well. Sometimes when you have a printer like this in an RV, it doesn't always want to work great. I just did this monologue inside the RV while I was sitting there about show prep, and I forgot to turn the record button on. And then when I did record it, the background noise of the printer was so loud. I was like, okay. I probably have 100 prints to do. It's going to take me forever. It's been so long since I've done a show, and I have so much new work as well. I forgot where I put this. Okay, guys, see this? So underneath here, that's where I store my tent, all the hardware for my booth. And I've opened it up a couple of times and pulled it out while I've been on the road just to inspect it. But I need to do it again because now it's showtime, literally. And I pour my heart and soul into my work. And if I don't have my booth in good working order, I can't project the image I want to, pun. I can't, I don't feel comfortable selling my work the way I want to. So take it all out, clean it all up, go through everything, make sure it's all in good working order. When I was cleaning everything out, I came across this. So that means I got to take everything out. I found some angle iron and I'm gonna screw some holes and bolt it in there and support that. That way I'm not driving down the freeway someday and take out somebody's windshield with all my weights and crap falling out. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this existing hole and then come to a new hole that I'll screw into here somewhere, right there. Okay, so if you're wondering what's so heavy back there, it was a lot of art fair stuff, but I have these weights, so check these out. These things are beasts. Hey everybody, new work, new booth. First time I've had it out, and I haven't had my workout in months. So, what do you guys think?